A for apple, apple means seb. B for ball, ball means gend. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for goat, goat means bakri. H for hen, hen means mori. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means sher. M for mango, mango means am. N for next, next means ghosla. O for orange, orange means santra. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rose, rose means gulab. S for ship, ship means jahaj. T for tiger, tiger means tiger. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for van, van means gaadi. W for watch, watch means ghadi. X for X-ray, X-ray means X-ray. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra.